What's up, guys? This is Will of Will's Gadgets and More, back with another video. So today we're going to be taking a look at the i-Blason case lineup for the Apple iPhone 13 Pro 6.1. So a big shout out to i-Blason for sending these over for a review. So today we're going to be taking a look at the Cosmo wallet cases, and we also have one of the Aries series case as well. So you can pick these up right now on Amazon.com. The price of the i-Blason Cosmo wallet case is, if you get the Ocean, it's going to be $17.99. If you get the Marble, it's going to be $16.99. And if you get the Amit, it's going to be $17.99. So these are the wallet style cases here. Slim design wallet protective case with card holder, and a few of the features and details before we get this open and look at it. Compatible with the iPhone 13 Pro 6.1. Built-in card reader lets you conveniently store up to 2 blank cards plus loose cash. This has built-up high-quality TPU and polycarbonate material. Gives you protection against stuff like scrapes, scratches, and bumps. Raised bezels to keep your phone screen and camera lens free from damaging surfaces. And this is compatible with most chargers, but not work with the MagSafe charger. So this will not work with the MagSafe charger, but it will work with most wireless chargers. So those are a few of the features and details. Link will be in the description if you guys want to pick this up. So let's go ahead and take a look at the lineup. So I don't have a real iPhone 13 Pro. This is just a dummy unit. This is the graphite one they send me over. It's a dope looking device, man. I think this size is one of the best sizes you can get. And I really and truly like the size of this one. If I was going to pick one up, that would be it. So I saved one box to let you guys see what's in the box when you get it. Just for that unboxing experience. And you're going to get your case in here. Like so. And that's pretty much it. And this box right here. Now some boxes do have the instructions in it. This box doesn't. Here's the case. And this is the Ocean color. So this is mostly blue. And it has that gold tone going along here as well. Very nice looking case. Let's go ahead and drop the iPhone 13 Pro on here. And there it is. Easy to drop on. Whew, and that thing looks good with that iPhone. I can't lie, man. Now it does add some bulk to the device. And this is where you can drop your credit cards or money or whatever in the back of it. Got the nice deep cutout for your cameras and flash. Got this gold tone going around in here. And this slot right here, if you have a credit card or something in there, this is where you can slide it up to get it out. This side, you got your power button. You do have a little area for a lanyard there. Then on the bottom of it, you got your cutouts for your speaker, microphone, and charging port. They're wide open. You got your volume up and down. And you can get to your mute switch very easily right there. And then your cameras and stuff on the back. So this is a beautiful case for your Apple iPhone 13 Pro. So let's move on to the next one. Easy to put on and take off, guys. So this next case is going to be the Marble color. That's the color of this one. So if you're picking this up, this is what you're going to get. This has a lot of pink in it to me. You do still have your place there for your credit cards. You got this rose color gold going around the camera there and highlighted all the way around. This is rose color here as well. Same cutouts, everything just a different color for the device. And this one is nice too if this is the color that you prefer. So the next one over, this is going to be the Amit color. There it is. And this is mostly purple to me in my eyes. And that's what it's going to look like with your device right there. Very nice. Now this has kind of a rose gold color going around here as well. Very nice, man. These cases are nice. They do add a little bulk to your device. You do have a little bit of lip action there if you don't want to use a screen protector, but it's not very raised there. And then on the back, you got that nice deep recess area there, and easy to get to everything else. So the last case that we have here is going to be from the Aries series, and they send me out the Azure color, I think you call that, but it also comes in another color. It comes in black as well. Now these cases are $22.99. I'll drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick these up. Let's take a look at a few of the features and details of the Aries series case for the iPhone 13 Pro. So here are a few of the features and details, guys. This has a built-in screen protector, prevents scratches and cracks without compromising touch and sensitivity. Raised camera and screen bezels provide added protection. Flexible TPU and polycarbonate material provides 360-degree protection. CNET certified protection from dust, dirt, drops, and falls. CNET certified and drop tested at 20 feet. Compatible with MagSafe and other wireless chargers. So this link will be in the description if you guys want to go over and check out some more of the features and details. So here's the Azure, I think you call that. This is like a blue color. Nice blue color, and then you got a lighter blue color here. Now the way you separate this case, just grab it in this corner, pull your inner frame out, and this is the inner frame with your built-in screen protector there. A lot of people don't like the screen protectors on these, but you snap this in place like that, and then you drop the bottom piece in just like this, and that's how you get the case on. So this is pretty dope, man. They're gonna have a color pretty similar to this, but the graphite one looks nice in this. Deep cut out there for your camera and flash. It's not going to get anything in there. You got these raised edges, so when you set it down on the back, it's not going to be sitting exactly on the back of the case. Beefed up corners here for drop protection. You got a covered area for your mute switch here that I can get my finger in very easily. You got your buttons here for volume up and down. On the bottom, you got your cutout for your mic, speaker, and a covered charging port there. And you got some i-Blason branding there, and then your power switch right there. So feels pretty good in the hand. You do have a raised lip area here on the front. Although you do have a built-in screen protector, it still looks good. This is a good looking case, man. You can get this in black and this Azure color as well. So this has been the case lineup from i-Blason for your Apple iPhone 13 Pro 6.1. You got your Cosmo wallet style here, and you got your Aries series right here. Catch you guys in the next video. Wheels, Gadgets, and more. I'm out.